Do you want to earn some money? Do you want some free Benjamins? Well, you can do this in the comfort of your own home. You can relax and make money on autopilot. And the website that I got for you today is www. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys a very interesting topic, CPA marketing also. So if you guys don't know what CPA marketing, please go look at my previous videos. I discuss it there in detail. So today I'm going to show you how to make up to $4 or $5 using a simple strategy with CPA lead. That's the site I use. So as you can see my screen, I want you guys to come to this website called cpalead.com. So the offer that we're going to be taking is make money online. Obviously, remember the niches I mentioned in my other videos. There's three big niches. It's make money online, fitness and relationships. Those are the three biggest niches, so always should keep those in mind. So yeah, that's why I chose make money online. This is the biggest one. Most of people's problems are making money in this whole world. So as you can see, this is an offer. It explains its index dollar survey. Here's your affiliate link. So this is a link you're going to use to post, and when people fill things out or sign up, you're going to get a commission. So as you can see, the above is the offer URL to share. When a person completes the offer, you will earn $4.64. Targeting rules. This is the rule. So only share with people from these countries, United States. Only target these devices. So all devices meaning mobile, laptops, tablets, everything. Converts when a person signs up for an account. So I want to show you guys something. If one person signs up, you get $4.64. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a free traffic method that you can use. So imagine if 10 people sign up, you're going to get $46.40 basically. Let's see, am I right? Let's take out a calculator and let's calculate the width. So it's 4,64 times 10 people. $46.40. I was accurate. My maths is good. So imagine you just need, like, for free, just taking this link, sharing it, and you're not gonna pay no dime for traffic. So that's going to be good. So, and if I times this again by 2, which is going to be by 20, you make $92 if 20 people sign up. And the website that I'm going to show you is going to be very quick to make money and free also. So basically these are rules. We went through the rules. We can see how the offer looks when we click on basically, yeah. Okay, that's the image. Supposed to be something you click on. It's not here. Normally they have an image that you click on, but normally, so if you try and see the offer like this, it will say the offer is not available in your country. South Africa, you won't be able to view those offers, but you can use a VPN or VPS, and you will also get the profit still, even though someone signs up. So you still will get a profit, so don't stress. But anyway, I can use my VPN or VPS to check this offer. So yeah, but let's not go there. So usually there's, like, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like if I click on here, there's like a preview link. There's like a preview link, and it'll be a screenshot of how it looks. But anyway, there's no preview link there, but it's fine because it's a make money online. We know make money online. People want to make money online. We'll just get images off the internet. So first things first, copy this affiliate link. Go to the site Bitly. So Bitly is a shortening site. So Bitly, why we have to use a site like Bitly? Because we want to track our link. We want to see how many clicks are on that link. We want to check all of this. Now, using just CPA lead, this affiliate link, we won't be able to see that. But if you go to Bitly, you can see how much people clicked on my links, like 4,000, 8,000. You can see total clicks. So what we do by Bitly, we go create, we paste the link in here, and voila, that's a shortened link. So now if you refresh, I didn't name that link, but this is the link we paste now. So basically we'll be able to track this link, how many times it's been clicked on, because we're going to take the shortened link and then paste it on a free traffic site, as easy as that. And so what you do, you copy this shortened link, you come to a site name. So this is the free traffic site, classified ads. So classifiedads.com, basically this is where you can go look for jobs, this is where you can post vacancies, this is where you can find vacancies. It's very, very big. There's 500 million users on the site, so imagine how many potential traffic or clients that we're going to be able to reach out to. Powerful. So we go to post in free ad. Remember, we're only targeting United States as per this year. United States devices is all, and then we select the category. So I want you to come to uh, community. After community, people like free stuff, or you can put it somewhere else, but I prefer free stuff because people are always looking for free stuff. So free money, which is good. And here in location you type United States, United States, because we target the United States. So the title we'll get from our CPA lead, make money online, and this is for free. They're not going to pay for it. So good. Okay, let's be more informal. Hi peeps. Do you want some free cash? Well, this is your lucky day. And then just just you can put any description here. I'm just using this as an example. You can go search for ones online, but I'm just using this as an example. So anything catchy, like, do you want to make some free cash? Who doesn't want to make some free cash? Well, this is your lucky day. Yes. Then you can put imagine working in imagine making making free, put free in capital letters. Free needs to catch them. Use psychology. Imagine making free money from home before you wake up. Perfect. So you leave that like that. Before you wake up. Awesome. So next you put your name here. Put anything. You can put your name, your email, phone number and things. Expires 6 months. You type this in 9 EHHN. Image, we go online. Just search for make money online. Just try and search for HD images because it's much more clearer. Make money online HD, because we want a nice clear image. This one looks like very catchy. This one looks very, very catchy. You see a house there and money. House and money. House next to the money. That's what people want to see. You always put what people want to see. There's a lot of psychology behind putting these things. Like, people like certain types of things, and you need to try to adjust. As you can see, a house there. Make money house. So you can use it. You can use your own image, and you just post this ad. So this is free. You're not gonna pay no money. Free. Voila. Right. So the ad is up. So now whenever someone comes to here and clicks here from United States. Remember, we targeted United States. As you can see, posted in United States, free stuff. My name, my zip, perfect. People come here, they'll click on your link. Once they click on your link, you'll be sorted to go. Oh, we forgot to copy the link. Okay, let me. We're supposed to add a link there. I forgot. Sorry, guys. Overview. Okay, let's add it again. I made a mistake. We forgot to put a link here, so we're supposed to put a link here inside. We're supposed to put a link because where are people gonna get the stuff? Let me show you them here. So community again. So I'm going to process a second time. Community. Community. Free stuff. United States, basically. Make money online free. Always put things that sketchy, put it in capital letters. So basically, once we put this, we go to Butler, we copy our link and we put it find discover more, and you put that link there. Cover more that link. Once it's inside W4Q4, choose my file. So I'm going to choose the same image as the last time. Post it. It's as easy as that. See, I even went to go do it the second time because I made a mistake. See how quick is it. So basically, look at that. So when people come here, look at us. Hi peeps, do you want to make some free cash? Well, this is your lucky day. Imagine making free money from home before you wake up. Discover more. When people click on here, they'll be taken to a survey and a sign-in page. Once they sign in, one lead, you'll get $4.64. And there's 500 million users on here. So guys, if you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to boost the Facebook algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like this, yeah, obviously don't forget to subscribe. I'll make much more videos like this. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you guys are going to try this. If you're going to try this, put in comments, yes, I'm trying this. Thank you guys.